Welcome back to my LS Luxury Autos. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 isn't just a truck, it's a statement of power, luxury, and innovation that redefines what a motorhome can be. From the outside, it looks like a beast built to conquer highways, but the moment you step inside, you'll realize this is more than just a machine, it's a five-star home on wheels. Designed with precision engineering and the latest in automotive technology, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 is the future of over-the-road living, combining the durability of a semi-truck with the elegance of a high-end luxury RV. Get ready, because what's inside this motorhome will absolutely blow your mind. Let's start with the exterior. Sleek, aerodynamic, and aggressively styled, the T2000 commands attention wherever it goes. Its bold chrome grille, integrated LED light strips, and sculpted body lines give it a futuristic edge, while the metallic finish adds that extra sparkle under sunlight or night lights. But this isn't just about looks. The 2025 model features an advanced aerodynamic design that improves fuel efficiency by up to 15%, making it one of the most efficient motorhomes ever built on a semi-truck platform. It's powered by a state-of-the-art 15-liter turbocharged diesel engine producing over 600 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque, giving it enough strength to pull anything and go anywhere. Now, the real magic happens inside. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by a world of luxury that feels more like a penthouse suite than the inside of a truck. High-quality materials line every inch, real wood finishes, soft-touch leather seating, and custom LED ambient lighting that can be adjusted to your mood. The cabin is designed for total comfort, with noise-canceling insulation that blocks out road noise completely. You can literally be cruising down the highway while feeling like you're relaxing in a high-end apartment. As you move further inside, the living area is where the transformation really impresses. There's a full-size sofa that converts into a bed, a 50-inch 4K smart TV mounted on a swivel arm, and a surround sound entertainment system that makes movie nights on the road feel like a theater experience. Built-in smart home controls allow you to manage lighting, temperature, and appliances through voice commands or a tablet. Every detail, from the hidden storage compartments to the multi-zone climate control, is designed for convenience and comfort. The kitchen is a chef's dream on wheels. It features a full-size refrigerator, a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, and even a compact dishwasher. Solid surface countertops and stainless steel finishes give it a professional look, while the smart water system ensures you always have filtered water on demand. There's even a pull-out pantry for long trips, so you can stock up on everything you need without worrying about space. Whether you're cooking breakfast before hitting the road or preparing a gourmet meal while parked at a scenic overlook, this kitchen makes it possible to dine in style anywhere you go. Next up, the bathroom. And trust me, you've never seen a motorhome bathroom like this. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 features a full wet bath with a rainfall shower, porcelain toilet, and a vanity sink with LED backlighting. Heated floors and towel racks keep things cozy even on cold mornings. The smart mirror can display weather updates, navigation routes, or even your favorite playlist while you're getting ready. It's like having a luxury spa experience every time you step inside. Now let's move to the master suite, the ultimate relaxation zone. The bedroom features a queen-size memory foam mattress with adjustable settings, personal reading lights, and blackout shades for complete privacy. Overhead cabinets and side wardrobes offer generous storage, while a second smart TV gives you entertainment right at your fingertips. And here's the coolest part, the bedroom has a panoramic sunroof that opens up to the stars. Imagine parking in a remote area, lying back, and watching the night sky through your ceiling. That's not just travel, that's living your dream. Technology is at the heart of the 2025 Kenworth T2000. The cockpit is fully digital, with a large touchscreen dashboard, adaptive cruise control, lane assist systems, and integrated AI navigation that maps out the best fuel stops, rest areas, and campgrounds along your route. The truck even has a self-leveling suspension system that automatically adjusts to uneven terrain, ensuring a smooth ride no matter where you're headed. With Wi-Fi connectivity, satellite communications, and multiple USB-C charging points, you'll never lose connection, even when you're off-grid. And speaking of off-grid, this motorhome is built for independence. It comes equipped with a solar power system mounted on the roof, a lithium battery pack, and a 10,000-watt inverter, meaning you can run all your appliances without ever plugging in. There's also a 150-gallon freshwater tank, grey and black water systems, and an onboard generator for backup power. Whether you're camping in the desert, parked by a mountain lake, or exploring the wilderness, the Kenworth T2000 gives you the freedom to go anywhere while taking every comfort with you. Safety is top-notch too. The 2025 T2000 includes collision avoidance technology, blind spot monitoring, adaptive headlights, and 360-degree cameras for easy parking and maneuvering. The truck is also built with reinforced safety structures and advanced braking systems to keep you and your passengers secure at all times. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece of engineering designed for both adventure and peace of mind. Every inch of the Kenworth T2000 is designed to make you feel at home, even when you're thousands of miles away. From the craftsmanship of the interior to the raw power under the hood, this motorhome isn't just transportation, it's transformation. It turns every journey into an experience and every mile into a memory. This is the future of luxury travel on wheels. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself living or traveling in something like this? Because honestly, this 2025 Kenworth T2000 takes the idea of a motorhome to a whole new level. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every second in between with comfort, style, and freedom. If you enjoyed this tour and were blown away by what's inside this incredible motorhome, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another amazing vehicle feature like this. Drop a comment below and tell us what you'd love to see next. Maybe another luxury truck conversion or a custom RV setup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.